Hello. Posting to your pay runs to your journals is key to accounting for your employees. This video will show you how to process the pay run journals and complete month-end leave. Before pushing a pay run to your journals, ensure that 1. The pay run is finalized, 2. Any new employees are mapped and have dimensions added, and 3. Any new general ledger accounts are mapped. Great, you've taken those setup steps already. Now you're ready to begin syncing pay runs. Click on Payroll in the navigation bar and select Pay Runs. This opens the pay run window, which shows a list of all recent finalized pay runs, and when each was ready to be taken into the journals as indicated by the posted date and time column. To feed a new pay run into your journals, click on a pay run and then select Process and then Import Transactions. The system will prompt us if employee dimensions are missing. Click OK, and our general journals will be created and posted automatically. To view ledger entries, click on an imported pay run and then select Process General Ledger Entries, and this will show the ledger entries created by importing the pay run. The next step is to process the leave liabilities journal in order to bring your leave liability balance into line in Wiise. This is important when it comes to reconciling the month-end leave liability that appears in the balance sheet. To begin syncing leave liabilities, click on Payroll in the navigation bar and then select Leave Liabilities. This opens the Leave Liabilities window, which shows a list of all recent leave journals, again showing when each was imported, indicated by the posted date and time column. Naturally, the current leave liability is already recorded at the end of each pay run. However, it is recommended to run this function the last day of the month to bring the balance up to date per the last day of the month. To update the leave liabilities balance, click on Process and then select Import from Payroll. The system is telling us that our leave balance is already brought into line due to the general journals that were automatically created and posted in the last step. This has saved the payroll administrator both time and effort so they can focus on their other month-end duties. Just as it is with pay run journals, the leave liability journals also allow the dimension values of Wiise employees to be assigned to the ledger entries when bringing the balance up to date. It's also important to note that any employees newly created in Wiise must have appropriate dimension values added in Wiise before importing and updating the leave balances. Viewing posted ledger entries is easy. Just click on the imported leave liability journal and then select Process General Ledger Entries. This will show the resulting ledger entries created by importing the leave liabilities. And that's it. Once you've completed both pay run journals and leave reconciliation, you're done. Wiise streamlines your process for paying employees. Stop running separate systems for payroll and accounting. Do it all in the one system. You can also get the clarity you need to track your employee costs with dimension-based reporting. See your business clearly with Wiise. Thanks for watching. To find out what else you can do, see our other related videos on the payroll playlist.